Here is the most difficult moment because I don't know how to use this hand.
You feel more woman when you cut your hair?
So much. I'm doing all this for Shah Rukh Khan, you know. Faut pas qu'on montre à Eva que je mets mes cheveux dans l'évier, sinon elle va me tuer.
No. Dai un beso, dammi un abbraccio. Un abbraccio fraternale. Un abbraccio fraternale! Drama, drama!
It's not so spectacular. I'm very sorry. With these. Okay, this is it.